Hey, my name is Sam, aka Mr. 2 Pairs Minimum, and today we're going to take a quick look at the Knit Runner by Adidas and Kanye West Yeezy in the Fade Onyx colorway. It comes with a Knit Runner branded stylish cardboard box with the shoes wrapped in beige paper. No extra accessories come with this pair, but we're not here for the box, so let's get right into the shoes. These released here in the UK on the 10th of August 2023. Like its name suggests, the Yeezy Knit Runner features a knitted upper with inner foam padding for support and cushioning. The Fade Onyx is a charcoal grey colour with a black collar. I like the two-tone slip-on look, and the Knit Runner feels very cozy, like the foam runner cushioning wise, with a soft scuba or neoprene feeling lining. The dimpled mid-panel and clog-like shape looks futuristic with a minimalist aesthetic. However, these fit very weird. I went up half my US size for the US 10.5 and they fit fine lengthwise, but not narrow at the toe. The foam seemed to dig down, so I probably should have opted for the US 11. I recommend going up at least a size. Overall, I'm happy with the design, but I'm concerned about how the knitted upper and thin looking rubber sole would hold up in the long run. I'm still on the fence with these since I'm happy with my foam runners, and that £175 retail price is on the high side. But I like the colorway and the slip-on look is cool. As usual, purchase links will be in my YouTube description. While you're there, hit the like and subscribe button and comment fade to show me you enjoyed this video. Now let's discuss. Did you pick these up? Did you miss out? Or did you pass? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Apart from that, have a good day.